What is going on, everyone? So, market just closed today, and I got a big smile on my face because holy crap, Rigetti rebounds 47.93%. You know what? I'm going to round up because I'm feeling extra optimistic right now. 48% rebound in one day. Why did this happen? And we're going to look at the stock chart and I'm going to do some analysis. I posted a longer video with my analysis and thoughts of the CEO interview that happened earlier today, but holy smokes, a lot is happening. I probably will be posting more as news picks up. There was a Microsoft article that was just released. I'm going to cover that as well, but let's just get right into the price analysis. Okay, so what a thing of beauty. A 47.93%, let's just call it 48% rebound and rally. And if you've been following this channel for the last 2 days, maybe you are feeling a little bit better about quantum stocks when you start to connect all the dots. Okay, so the first thing you need to look at when you see a stock like Rigetti that has always had these big moves, right? You see the dread Fed day, 40% down, 40% move here, another 30%. Now we see a massive rebound. So if you opened a position like all these whales did here in the morning at $6, you saw a 50% increase on your investment in one day, which is pretty crazy, that the moves that can come out of the stock. So no matter if you're day trader, if you're in this for the long haul, it's kind of an exciting stock to just keep on your radar and look at. But on this channel, I am long on quantum, not just Rigetti, all quantum. I'm super excited for what is coming. And we've just been taking an absolute freaking beating from Jensen Huang, from Mark Zuckerberg, just these huge, massive, trusted tech names kind of shitting on quantum. But regardless of what those two very awesome men have to say, this is kind of what's happening with quantum in 2025. So just imagine the passengers are quantum companies and quantum adjacent companies there. You guys see Rigetti CEO right there next to the engineer? Yep, he's looking back and waving at us. So the train is leaving the station. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, okay? So we also have Microsoft coming out saying 2025, the year to be quantum ready. Let's take a look. Boom. Can't top today. All right, so today, 4-minute read. To be perfectly honest, I haven't even read it yet. I'm just like, there's so many exciting things that are happening. I'm going to do a different video on this and maybe just a shorter analysis. So I posted a longer analysis of Rigetti's CEO interview today. Okay, I was covering it. I'm not even allowed to go live on my channel yet because it's such a new channel. But we were talking about the price action during that speech and kind of using the market as a barometer for what he was saying. And he was boring us to death, okay? He wasn't saying anything that was really getting investors excited, but it didn't take me very long to digest what he had to say and realize that Rigetti is positioned for an ultra bull long-term case, okay? They're healthy for the next 4 years financially, critical. They're scaling in a full stack. They're not all in one, okay? They are if you want this piece of quantum, a QPU, and this piece or this piece, if you want to be on our cloud, or if you want some combination of all the above, they're flexible and they're scaling in such a smart way that puts Rigetti in a unique situation, okay, to be a huge player in this space. Look at the volume candles, okay? I was thinking last night, in fact, I can go find, I posted this on Reddit a couple times. I think tomorrow we open with big volume red candles, and somebody called me delusional. Big volume green candles, and we have a little rally in the morning. And what do you see over here? That's a lot of volume, a lot of green, a lot of whales opening positions at this $6, $7, $8 price point. Then we saw the CEO interview. I wrote speech, but really it was an interview. And it was mostly a boring interview, but a lot came out of it, okay? To me, as a long-term investor in Rigetti, sure, it's exciting to see a near-term recovery. It's exciting to see people realizing, oh, shit, this is actually maybe not just a pump and dump. This is a real thing. And I just want to caution, okay, like that this very well could move the other direction. It could go down to 6. It could go down to 4. It could go down to 3. To me, I just look at that as a buying opportunity. The more I learn about quantum computers and these companies, the more I realize that's the direction things are moving. So from technical analysis, you have the most insane bull. Stocks only go up, right? That's so beautiful right there. And really just breaking through. I had drawn in these lines early in the morning because I thought this is going to be hard for Rigetti to break this, because that was the morning at the peak of exuberance, and it just blasted right past that resistance. If we zoom out a little bit and we look at kind of a previous open, it blasted past that. We're into where we closed a couple of days ago. So we recovered we were basically back to where we were a couple of days ago with a ton of green volume, and the conversation is really shifting around these. So the question you have to ask yourself is, what point is this a stock you're interested in holding in your portfolio? It's going to be a bumpy ride. That's for sure. But knowing how this moves, knowing the potential in this industry and in this company, where do you want to position yourself? Is this stock going to be purchasable anywhere below $10? Will this dip be the bottom of sentiment and quantum computers run from here to the stratosphere? You know what? The upside potential, the bull case, I'm telling the story a little bit with kind of the videos I'm posting in the research, but the bull case is telling itself. If you just open your eyes, for every one article you see about Jensen Huang and Zuckerberg shitting on quantum, you see 10 new developments, partnerships, State of Maryland working with IonQ, Microsoft saying 2025 quantum ready. It's just a time to be excited and really think about where you're going to position yourself if you're going to be in this trade. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't even know what tomorrow's price action is going to be. I don't care that much. I'm going to cover it, but I don't care if it goes down. It'd be awesome if it goes up. What do you all think? Where do you think Rigetti's going? Where do you think quantum computers are going? All right, that is a wrap for this video. If you've made it this far, you are probably just as interested in quantum computing as I am. Please consider leaving a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you all next time.